You guys, I am inside the airport and like this is the first time that Arya is going solo traveling. Usually when I go with my parents, we go to the T2 terminal of the airport, but this time my flight is going to be in the T1 terminal. So it was like kind of confusing because I have never been here. So the first thing I did was I asked, there was a Didi, my flight is from Indigo, the airlines. So there was a Didi, Indigo wali. I asked her, okay, I don't have any luggage. So should I, do I still have to go and stand in the line? Like the line where people stand to put their luggage into the cargo. So she's like, this goes into your cabin, right? I'm like, yeah. So she's like, yeah, no worries, you just have to go ahead. So I'm like, don't I need the copy of the ticket? I said ticket, not even boarding pass. I was like, don't I need a physical copy of the ticket? And then she's like, no. Now I'm like, sorry. I just left. My bal is so frizzy right now. मैंने आज ही बाल धोया and I did not apply anything over after drying them, so they're like that right now. मेरे दोस्त हमेशा मेरे को चिढ़ाते आ रहा है जब भी बाल धोती है ऐसी क्यों दिखती है. I now know what you guys mean. But yeah, solo travels. Let's go. Even though it's just domestic, it's not even out of my state, but yeah, still works. Hi you guys, we have landed at Nagpur airport. We got a little airsick in the aircraft, but I you for the very first time. Now we're gonna wait for our brother to come pick us up. I hope he's here though. I really hope he is. I don't wanna wait around like a boogie woogie. Y'all, my brother is like 10 minutes away and he's like आ रहा 5 मिनट में आ रहा. I can't go back in क्योंकि मैं dumb हूँ थोड़ी सी. I came out, right? So I'll have to wait इधर ही. Yes, talking about air sickness, that was the first time I ever got air sick. Yeah. And मैं car sick होती हूँ, motion sickness है मेरे को air sickness नहीं. That was a new experience. I look pretty though. Okay, that's it, Arya. Stop obsessing over yourself. I do that because no one else does. Guys, oh my god, the lighting is so good here. I like this. So I just got back, and this is the room, guest room. I don't know what to call it, but it is so cool. Oh, we can actually, there's this window I have in my room and we can see the staircase. It is kind of creepy. Let's not look that area. So hi, it's pretty big, let me tell you that. One bed's here. There's a bathroom over there, there's a closet. I'll give you a room tour, oh my god. You enter the door and here is I suppose this is the place where you can keep your shoes. It's kind of dirty, I'm not going to use that. Then you have a closet with a lock. Oh my god, why do you have a lock, you guys? Closet has a locker. Pretty huge closet for a guest. I mean, not like I'm gonna stay here for like studying or something. So this is the bathroom right in front of the door. Has a cute little mirror on it. Hi. And yeah, it ends right here. And next up, we have the room. Pretty big, there are 2 beds. I'm probably gonna join both of the beds and then yes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I like it. Yeah, I should wash up. We're going out for dinner, my brother and his friends and I. So I'll meet you right back. Oh, मला दिसली तू. नाही मी व्हिडिओ रेकॉर्ड करत आहे. Hi you guys, we're out of the room. It is so chill here, like oh my god, I expected this to be like kind of warmer than Mumbai because the last time I was here in May I was here like 3 years ago or something, and it was so hot, like सहन नहीं हो रहा था मेरे से. I was like नहीं चलो भाई मुंबई जाना मेरे को वापस right this instant. But hi. And like I was like नहीं मेरे को घर जाना है. But then आज इतना चिल है. मेरा भाई मेरे को बोलता है अरे तू कितनी cool है. You're like a lucky charm. तेरे आने से इधर ठंडक पड़ गई. And you know जब हम कश्मीर गए थे the first day when we entered Kashmir, it's like it was so sunny. The driver said आपके आने से धूप आ गई. I'm the lucky charm you guys. Okay, so I'll go back. मेरा भाई आने वाला. I'll talk to you later. I'm back. We went for dinner. We had this like a huge ass feast. My brother ordered so many things. Like he ordered chicken, we had veg, we had biryani, we had a lot of stuff. Like we skipped starters and yet it was so much. Pura pet bhar gaya mera bhi. So after we came back, we walked around the campus. Like आधा भी नहीं campus, like a little part of the campus we walked around. And then my brother's friends, they introduced me to a lot of other friends of theirs, and we talked. Now I'm back to the room. I'm gonna brush my teeth and we're gonna hang out a little bit more and then we go to sleep. As I was saying, I like the campus life here. I like the amount of gossip they have. Like for every different person there's a different kind of gossip. My brother's friends, they're so cool. Of course my brother has got good choices. They're all very great. They all treated me so nicely. They were like, we had dinner and they were like, are dekho chahiye, are dekho chahiye, are you want this, are you want that. Like they were so sweet. That's what I liked about them. And speaking about the college, it is so vast and so good. Makes me wanna get admission here, but then मैं engineering नहीं कर रही. So right now I'm just finishing up my skincare and then I'm gonna head over to the Didi's room and we're gonna have a lot of fun. Probably not gonna record. Yes. I have a YouTube channel. Oh, you have it, right? Yeah, do you wanna come? Okay, a proper good morning to everyone watching. It is 8th of May today and currently 7:45ish a.m. I see no one and absolutely no one, like students around. Like I guess like सबके exams खत्म हुए ना, so like there's no one around. Everyone's like chilling and sleeping and completing the sleep hours they missed. And that's good. I'm gonna walk around for a bit. I hope I don't get lost. Oh, helicopter. Anyways, yes. I'll maybe show you around too. Let me just get out of this girls' hostel area. Oh my god, you know what? I was actually, when the first time I came here, I was expecting to see like something worse. We'll use that word because मेरे भाई का जो hostel है, it's kind of in the woods. You can't even distinguish the difference between the hostel and the खंडहर. Oh fuck, I don't know which way to go, but वहाँ पे gate है, तो I'm just gonna go straight up here because मेरा भाई वहाँ गया था. Indoor sports complex. So this must be the ground they play in. मेरा भाई तो नहीं, मेरा भाई रूम पे है शायद, वरना वो मेरे को बुला लेता. But anyways, oh fuck, why am I rocking? Let's go, Arya. Walking in like the middle of the road. हाँ मैं क्या बोल रही थी. हाँ. So I was not expecting the girls' hostel to be this nice, because when you enter the gate, the first thing you see is the girls' hostel, and it's like a proper building, a society, and it's just so clean. And I like the guest room also. The rooms where the student stays in, it's pretty cozy. Like it's not that big. It's like one table, a small single bed, and maybe a cooler can fit into your room. That is because my bhai and his friends are in their final year, so उनको अपना एक room मिल गया. But then I guess people who are in lower years, they're sharing rooms. Oh, boys hostel is like straight jacket, right? तो मेरे को वहाँ पे नहीं जाना. I really wish Dada would have offered me a cycle, but he did not, and now I have to walk. It's like kind of far away because मेरे भाई के पास cycle है, and he uses that to like travel. I guess this is a garden of some type. Yeah, I didn't see where the entry is, and the grass is so long. That's not a garden then. I have no idea. You know, people must actually think I'm crazy because everyone I see here, no one's walking. Everyone's either using a cycle or a scooty. Blame my brother for that. He did not tell me that I would have to use something for travel. Could have lent me a cycle now. Not fair. कैसा पड़ा भाई ये? Swimming pool, M quarter, C quarter. What the fuck is M quarter, C quarter? I see boys. Am I even allowed to go there? I have no idea. I mean, swimming pool है तो I must be, right? I don't know. I really hope I find someone I know. One of my brother's friends. I'd be really grateful to have someone to talk to. An actual human right now. Not you guys. Okay, so update. Hold up. Anyways, we're going back to the girls' hostel because apparently I called my brother and he was like, तू यहाँ तक क्यों आई? तो मैंने वहाँ कुछ है नहीं देखने के लिए. तो he's like, मेरे को नहीं लगा तू इधर तक आएगी, वरना मैं देखो बोल देता किसी की साइकिल लेना. I'm like, sorry, वहाँ पे कुछ है नहीं देखने के लिए तो मैं आगे आ गई. So he's like, ठीक है. So he told me कि there was a intersection. So he was like कि right जाएगी तो मेरा hostel आएगा. You have no use here. Straight जाएगी तो there's just a library. And then library के आगे there are all offices. So I had no business there. And then left side पे I don't think there was anything. But then दादा बोला कि left side पे guest houses and all है. And if you wanna see, you can go. But then बहुत दूर हो जाएगा. So I'm like, this walk is already very दूर. So I don't want to take the risk. And like मैंने सुबह से the moment I woke up like around 7:15, 7:30, I haven't had water. So yes, I'm gonna go walk back, ask around if I can get water and chill in my room. हाथ दुख रहा है, fuck. I don't know what VLSC means. I was passing by and I saw this. There's some obstacle course. Should I be here? But then this lies in the VNIT wala thing, right? There's this obstacle course and there are like obstacles, like kind of a military rating. I don't know. The vibe is so cool here, but then when I said that in front of my brother's friends, they were like, 2 दिन की बात है, Arya, you stay longer than that. You'll be like, when do I get to go home? I mean, I think I can relate because I get homesick very easily. And the excitement is still there, like, oh my god, मैं अकेली नागपुर आई हूँ, oh my god, मैं VNIT के campus पे हूँ. So yeah.
3 hours later.
Hi you guys, I look homeless again, but it is around 12:45 PM. Yes, better background right now. And मैं आधा टाइम तो सो रही थी. After I got back in the room, मैं लेट गई, मैं रील्स देख रही थी एंड रील्स देखते रहते मेरे को नींद आ गया तो मैं 2-3 घंटा सोई. एंड अभी मेरे को दीदी का टेक्स्ट आया कि क्या कर रही है, तेरे को बोर हो रहा तो आ जाओ ऊपर. तो आई वाज सिटिंग विद हर, शी कंप्लीटेड हर प्रोजेक्ट एंड नाउ वी गोना गो टू द मेस फॉर लंच. देखते हैं व्हाट द फूड इज लाइक. attraction of ENIT Nagpur. It is like I've seen so many photos of my brother idhar, right beside this fountain, beside in front of the name, the private plane. Anyways, it is so great to be here, so fun. Oh no, people are staring. Let's not do this, Arya. कैसा लग रहा है?
कुछ नहीं भाई, अभी
दिख नहीं रहा। कैसा लग रहा है? तुम्हारा फेयरवेल होने वाला है।
कुछ नहीं, अभी कॉलेज के 2 साल तो मिस हो गए थे कोविड में, पर 2 साल फुल एंजॉय किया, फुल कॉलेज लाइफ जी। और ऐसा कुछ खास लग नहीं रहा है, इट्स नॉर्मल।
और कैसा लग रहा है मेरे फाइनली चैनल पर आने के बाद?